How to use a SEMrush keyword magic tool. The SEMrush keyword magic tool is one of the most powerful resources for discovering keywords that can drive consistent traffic to your website. Once inside SEMrush, type your seed keyword into the keyword magic tool. Instantly, you'll get access to thousands of keyword suggestions, broken down into groups based on similar themes. What makes this tool unique is how you can filter by metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and SERP features. This allows you to identify which keywords are worth targeting, based on your site's authority and goals. The questions filter is incredibly useful for finding long-tail keywords that reflect what your audience is asking. You can also save keyword lists, export them, or directly send them to other SEMrush tools like Keyword Manager or Position Tracking. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or a niche affiliate site, this tool helps you build a strong content and SEO plan. Using the Keyword Magic tool in SEMrush isn't just about keyword ideas, it's about getting a competitive edge with precision and data.